Hey guys, it's Donna, and I'm sorry I haven't been around for a while since my last video about a month ago or longer. But the fact is, at first it was just going to be a couple of weeks because my husband had to have back surgery and I was busy taking care of him. And if any of you have spouses that have surgery, you know what that's like. Well, 2 weeks after his surgery, I unfortunately took a very bad fall. And I tripped over a cord when I was helping him, and I fell and I broke 2 bones in the top of my humerus right at my shoulder. And trying to get through this has just been horrific. I haven't been able to lift my arm up. I can lift it with my hand, but it'll just drop when I let go because of all the damage that I've done. Plus, I ended up with a bone bruise in the lower part of my arm and bruised ribs. I have fallen before, but it was never anything like this. I'm amazed I didn't break the rib and puncture the lung on top of everything else. And because of where it broke, they can't put a cast on that. So for 6 weeks now, I was in an immobilizer for the first 2 weeks. They took me out of that, and now I am doing therapy twice a week, trying to get the use of my arm back. So because of that, I'm not able to stand and demonstrate cooking right now. So what I'm going to do is just do some short videos sharing with you. I had a subscriber ask me if I could share tips on quick foods they could have in the refrigerator, that they could have already made up so that they could have them just to pull out to eat for lunch or for dinner. So I'm going to do that and just find out some more information about products that are for people that are have a corn problem, but also have a problem with gluten or dairy, to see what there is out there that they can use. As I said before, I hated not being able to do what I normally do because of this injury. It's been horrific. The pain is just horrendous. They told me it takes 8 weeks for the bones to heal, but because of my problems with taking supplements, I have found a couple that I can take that are safe. But as you well know, nearly everything has a corn product in it. So I've been trying to make sure that I get enough vitamin D, enough calcium and magnesium to help my body for my bones to heal, because I've always had a problem with low vitamin D, and if you don't have vitamin D, it can't convert the calcium so that it can make your bones heal and become strong. So I've been dealing with that, and the pain at night is the worst. So I hope you guys will be patient with me. I feel so bad because one of my subscribers, she was interested in some masks that I was trying to make. I got stopped doing anything. I can't even lift up my arms to sit at the sewing machine. So it's really been a nightmare, and they're telling me that it could be 6 months before I could get full use of my arm back and have it where it needs to be. The therapy has been slow because the pain has been so bad, the breaks were so bad, but they started me on some new stuff today that I can practice here at home, so I'm doing that, and I've just got to be patient. And like I said before, I feel so bad because there were things I was doing for you guys, and I'm just haven't been able to do it, and I apologize. So I haven't went anywhere. I haven't stopped doing my channel. I just hope you guys will hang in there with me, and I'll get some new stuff out. Hopefully by this weekend I'll get something new on the tips for lunch and dinner. And I've got some ideas there because I've shared some videos on how to make like chicken salad, potato salad, how to make cheddar biscuits or something of that sort that stays well for a few days, so that it's always handy and you can just grab it and fix you a small dish of potato salad to take with you. Make the chicken salad sandwich to take with you. You can even get the Daisy cottage cheese if you're not allergic to dairy, and because it's just cream and salt, and it's perfect for those of us who have corn problems. And you can do that, and you can also do the Chobani yogurt, which is all natural with no corn derivatives in it whatsoever. So those are just kind of 4 little things I'm thinking of, but I'll think of others and share them with you, because yeah, we all, especially if you have to work, you want to be able to have something that you're able to eat during your break or at lunch. So I've got ideas in my head that I'll sit down and write them out, and then we'll get started with that. But for now, I just wanted to say hi, guys, and that I'm still around. I'm just sorry I haven't been able to because of my arm. And it's very frustrating because I'm used to doing all the cooking, and my husband's been having to do a lot of it. Or if I am trying to fix something, he has to stand there and stir or turn it or whatever, because I can't use my right arm right now. It will not hold on to anything. It's so weak, and the pain has been so bad. And that's another issue I've had because of being allergic to corn. I can't take medications. There is one that I can take, but the bad thing about it is it makes me hallucinate, so I won't take it. And so I just deal with the pain. But anyway, that's just a quick update. Wanted to let you know how things are going. I may even share a short video with you on the vegetables I'm growing that I'm going to hopefully get enough of so I can start canning this summer. And I want to share all that with you. And so you guys take care. Remember, I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere, and we'll see you soon.